I've been doing this job for 3 years now, and these are the checks that I was depositing last week. And not only am I making a lot more money than I ever have before, I'm happier, I'm more confident, and more driven than I've ever been in my life. And you can't put a price on those things. Hi, my name's Ian French from Lakeland, Florida. I used to have a job working from home, but it didn't pay that well. So it interested me one day when I learned that I could make a lot more money using my notary commission to watch people sign their names at real estate transactions. I had no idea that such a job even existed, and it sounded too good to be true. So I did some research, and that's when I discovered Mark Wills and the loan signing system. What convinced me to buy his course were all the overwhelmingly positive reviews that he got from his students. That's when I knew I had to get this course. He teaches you everything you need to succeed. He shows you exactly how he walks through a closing. He tells you exactly what he says to get more business. And every year he's adding more content and more value. I have escrow officers thanking me every week for the kind of service I provide. I've developed a lot of friendships with realtors and people in the business. It's the best job in the world, in my opinion. So if you're on the fence about getting this course, ask yourself, how else are you going to better invest that money into your future? What are you going to be doing 6 months or 12 months from now with that money? If you invest in yourself and do it with this course, you're going to be better off. This community is amazing. We want to see everyone succeed. Mark is the most enthusiastic coach and mentor out there. So do yourself a favor and buy the loan signing system.